Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anna Blaine. I'm a professor here in our School of Education, and I'm also the primary contact for the Florida Fund for Minority Teacher Scholarship. I've got 2 questions for you. 1, do you identify as a minority? 2, are you in your first semester of our bachelor's program, or do you plan to start our bachelor's program next semester? If you answered yes to both those questions, then I've got the scholarship for you. So you're probably wondering, where do I apply? Here's what you're going to do. Please visit ffmt.org. Once there, go to Scholarship Future Scholarships, scroll down to Scholarship Information, and then click on the MTES Eligibility tab. Here you will find all the information that you need about our Florida Fund for Minority Teachers Scholarship. First, you will find eligibility requirements. Next is our selection process. Here is the information about the scholarship awards, and you will see that you get $4,000 a year or $2,000 for each major semester. Now, once you apply and you are awarded the scholarship is good throughout your time in the program. You do not need to apply each semester. As a scholar, you will need to attend a symposium once a year. Here are some additional conditions. We are a participating institution and I am the primary contact, so if you have any questions, let me know. Your course instructors will have my email and phone number if you need to contact me. Here are the priority deadlines for the scholarship, and you'll see that for the fall semester, you must apply by August 1st, and for the spring semester, you must apply by November 30th. If you look at this bulleted list, make sure that you can answer yes to all of these questions, and then you know that you are eligible for the scholarship. You will need to submit an essay, and you also need to submit your transcripts directly to the Florida Fund for Minority Teachers Scholarship. To do that, go back up to the top, go to the Contact Us section, and click on Mailing Address. Order your most current Daytona State transcripts and send them to this address. Once again, if you are eligible, please apply, and if you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to working with you as a scholar.